The HackHunter Pursuit portable Wi-Fi tracker gives you visibility over the Wi-Fi in your environment. Pursuit detects Wi-Fi and precisely tracks the source to within a few centimeters so it can be dealt with. We can build custom templates to help you find any Wi-Fi device or behavior pattern, like evil twin attacks and Wi-Fi pineapples, drones and their controllers, and individual devices. With Pursuit's powerful directional antenna, you can find concealed devices anywhere, even in the floor or ceiling. Pursuit weighs less than 520 grams, lasts for over 4.5 hours on a charge, and has an intuitive touchscreen design. With interchangeable battery cartridges, you can be sure you'll never run out of power when you're on the go. And the Pursuit automatically logs your data as you go, ready for upload, analysis, and automated report generation from the Insight Analytics platform. Know exactly what Wi-Fi is in your environment in real time with the HackHunter Pursuit portable Wi-Fi tracker.